Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well and thank you for being the part of the community. And this video, you already know from the title, it's about the comparison between the newest bag that I bought, that is Ulanzi BP10 versus my old Lowepro 450 ProTactic 8W version 2. Few things that I want to clear out. One is, by no means I'm trying to say that Ulanzi is better or Lowepro is worst or Lowepro is better. It's just your need changes. My need has changed and I'm looking for few components that was missing in the Lowepro and which I found in Ulanzi. So it was time for me to switch. One more thing that I want to clear out is I don't think there is a perfect bag. There are certain bags that do certain things better than others, or there are certain bags that are fulfilling your checklist as compared to the other one. Buy whatever you feel right is for you, and that is the perfect bag or the perfect gear or the perfect lens for you. Right now, I'm leaning much more towards the Ulanzi bag as compared to the Lowepro bag. So that's it.
Let's start with design and build quality. Let's start with the first impression. The Lowepro 450 AW is a tactical powerhouse. It's built to endure tough environments, featuring a robust armored exterior and molly webbing for attaching extra gear that you might have to carry on your adventure. But the Ulanzi BP10, on other hand, opts for modern minimalistic approach. Its smooth exterior and compact frame makes it perfect for urban creatives who needs balance of style and practicality. Both bags are made with high quality materials, but their visuals couldn't be more different. Let's come to the next segment, and that is storage and accessibility. Lowepro has been an old player in this game, having a capacity of 25 liters makes it feasible for every kind of adventure that you can throw at it. Its customizable padded dividers can be arranged to fit your gear perfectly. It also features quick side access, so you will never miss the perfect shot. And when it comes to Ulanzi, in terms of storage, it's a total beast, having a capacity of 25 liters, and when expanded, the capacity goes up to 30 liters, which is way more than what Lowepro offers. And having a 35-liter capacity, you can DIY the space as you need. This camera bag is for professional, which can hold up to 2 cameras and 6 lenses. The personalized dividers offer adaptable organization of your camera equipments, giving an edge to Ulanzi. Third segment, that is comfort and portability. Both bags are designed keeping longer adventures in mind. Both bags come with thick padded shoulder straps, ventilated back panel, and a waist belt for added support, which clearly shows that they are meant to be taken on longer adventure. Durability and water resistance. Both bags are equipped to face the harshest environment that you can throw at them, giving you the peace of mind that your gear is safe within the bags and allowing you to focus on the shot that is in front of you. And when it comes to water resistance, Lowepro takes an approach where it provides you with a rain cover, which is more than sufficient in any kind of a rain or drizzle that you might have to face. But if it comes to a downpour, I might have to think about going out. While on other hand, the Ulanzi BP10 has a different approach towards water resistance. Bag is made with a water resistant material which feels great to the touch and seems like it can hold the rain outside. I will have to give an edge to the Ulanzi bag because bag being made with a water resistant material gives you an additional peace of mind that even if you are caught in a downpour, you might have a time to save your gear or get inside the shelter. While on Lowepro, you will have to wait and take out the rain cover so that you can protect the bag. The fraction of second can play a huge role deciding whether your camera lives or dies. Segment 5. Pricing. Both Lowepro and Ulanzi come at a premium price point, which is still budget friendly as compared to other options available in the market. Both bags are equipped with pro level features, comfort and durability, giving a peace of mind regardless of what you are investing into. So what's the conclusion? Both bags offer maximum storage, rugged durability and pro level features. But if I have to suggest, I would suggest you to go with Ulanzi BP10 because it has a maximum capacity of 35 liters and external compartments for organizing your gears, accessories, so that you don't have to open the camera bag for small knickknacks, giving you an easy accessibility throughout the bag while keeping the price of the bag budget friendly.